Programming languages are the backbone of our digital world. They allow us to build software, analyze data, and create amazing technologies. Among these languages, Python stands out as a true powerhouse. Known for its readability and versatility, Python has become a favorite among beginners and experts alike. Its impact on modern programming is undeniable, shaping how we interact with technology every day. Python's journey is a testament to the power of elegant design and a commitment to user-friendliness. From its humble beginnings to its current status as a global phenomenon, Python continues to evolve and inspire. Let's delve into the fascinating history of this remarkable language and discover the key factors that led to its widespread adoption and enduring legacy. The story of Python begins in the late 1980s at the National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in the Netherlands. Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer, was working on a project called ABC. ABC was designed to be easy to learn and use, but it ultimately fell short of its goals. Undeterred, Van Rossum took the lessons he learned from ABC and began working on a new language. This new language, which would eventually become known as Python, was initially conceived as a hobby project. Van Rossum wanted to create a language that was both powerful and enjoyable to use. He drew inspiration from a variety of sources, including ABC, C, and Unix shell scripting. In 1991, Python was released to the world. The rest, as they say, is history. Python's popularity grew steadily throughout the 1990s, thanks in part to its adoption by early web developers. In 2000, Python 2.0 was released, introducing list comprehensions and a garbage collection system. This marked a significant step forward in Python's development. The release of Python 3.0 in 2008 brought with it a number of major changes, including a redesigned type system and improved Unicode support. While these changes were initially met with some resistance, they ultimately paved the way for a more robust and future-proof language. Today, Python continues to evolve, with new features and improvements being added regularly. Section 4. Python's winning features. So, what makes Python so special? Well, one key factor is its readability. Python's syntax is designed to be clear, concise, and easy to understand, even for those with little programming experience. This makes it an ideal language for beginners who are just starting out with programming. Another factor contributing to Python's popularity is its versatility. Python can be used for a wide range of tasks, from web development and data analysis to machine learning and artificial intelligence. This versatility is due in part to Python's extensive standard library, which provides a wide range of modules and packages for common programming tasks. Additionally, Python's active community has created a vast ecosystem of third-party libraries and frameworks, further extending its capabilities. Section 5. Python's impact, shaping the programming world. Python's impact on the world of programming cannot be overstated. It has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world, used by millions of developers, educators, and researchers. Python's influence can be seen in a wide range of fields, from web development and data science to scientific computing and artificial intelligence. Python's success can be attributed to a number of factors, including its readability, versatility, and strong community support. As the world becomes increasingly data-driven, Python's ability to handle and analyze large data sets has made it an essential tool for businesses, organizations, and individuals alike. Python's future remains bright, and it is poised to continue shaping the world of programming for many years to come.